Dancing in the Breeze, a journey into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a picturesque phrase, dance in the breeze. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture and carries a deeper meaning than you might first expect. So, grab your notebooks, and let's embark on this linguistic journey together. At first glance, dance in the breeze might conjure images of leaves twirling in the wind or curtains swaying gently by an open window. But in English, this phrase goes beyond its literal imagery to evoke feelings of freedom, ease, and natural flow. When we say something or someone dances in the breeze, we're often talking about moving through life or situations with a grace that seems effortless and in harmony with the surrounding environment. To fully grasp the essence of dance in the breeze, let's look at some examples. Watching the children play outside, carefree and laughing, they seem to dance in the breeze. After years of hard work, she now runs her business so smoothly, it's like she's dancing in the breeze. In these examples, the phrase is used metaphorically to describe a state of being or acting that is fluid, relaxed, and seemingly effortless. Now that we understand what it means to dance in the breeze, let's talk about how you can incorporate this beautiful expression into your own conversations and writing. Describe a feeling. Use it to convey a sense of ease or peace. Narrate an observation. Apply it when depicting scenes or moments that embody grace or freedom. Metaphor for life or situations. Employ it to express how someone is navigating their life or certain situations with grace and ease. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to our language, allowing us to express complex ideas in a poetic and engaging way. And there you have it, friends. Dance in the breeze is more than just a phrase. It's a lyrical expression that captures the essence of moving through life with grace, ease, and joy. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations and writings. Until next time, keep dancing in the linguistic breeze of learning. Farewell.